Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man a pushing at the traffic. Spice about for drop our album anytime now, any day now. But before that, she gonna drop another single. So we find out that Friends is the first single from her upcoming album, and the album is called 10. And now the another single ready for drop, and it's her, Sean Paul, and Shaggy, and the song is called Down There. Now you can listen and hear that and fix it or don't want to fix it. But Spice I got talking at the live and telling you what down they mean, right? But people may never see Spice more excited for you know what I mean, for nothing at all. I never say she more excited than now. Check this out, people. She's so excited about this song. The song alone me I talk about, I never talk about the album, just the song. She is actually keeping a release party, and this is going to be in Atlanta, and this is going to be on Friday, tomorrow Friday basically. So this is on the 30th of April, right? So if you're in the Atlanta area, check out that. They also do another shoot on Love and Hip Hop. That one they know are kind of like a private party, so not anybody can go. I think you have to get invitation for go. They also information, but you also need information, right? But people, here what I go and do. I go allow Spice, make sure explain all about this and about the song, and then you know what I mean. We just check out the video. Big up on yourself, all right? Listen to this.
It's a historic moment for me. So let me just put fun and joke aside and go down in this. This is a very historic moment for me because for me, look all me, for have a song with these legends, for the writing that I go with two legends, it feels good and I have to talk about it. So fun and joke aside, I have to express myself before the song even come out, before the song even release. Me have to relate with my best to them and make them know what I want, because it's an overwhelming feeling and I feel good, and I just feel the love already without the song even come home. I just have confidence in that song, yeah. That song, yeah, make me just ready for go on with myself, and I feel good. The SSS meaning to it is Spice, Sean Paul, and Shaggy. Alright? Let me say it again if you never hear. Spice, Shaggy, and Sean Paul. SSS. SSS means Spice, Shaggy, and Sean Paul. Right there, so. So, for all of the people that want go in the garden and go pick the flowers them, or no go in the garden go pick the flowers them to me and throw it for me. Because for me, little being the Spice, I'm old Brett and I used to barefoot and so, yeah. For me to get these two legends together on one song, on one track, let's talk about it. Because we not forgive me my flowers, you know, because we never get this yet. This is a first in history. This is a historic moment. Very iconic. Sometimes we don't celebrate ourselves, but now is the time for us to celebrate ourselves, because oftentimes when we're doing international records, we try to go outside of the genre. Now I'm telling you that we have these two big giants. Yeah. When we talk about big giants, but we go down in it, because at the end of the day, the most streamed, the most selling, top selling artists, reggae artists, Bob Marley, Sean Paul, Shaggy, top 3 for years, not never changes. So we have to celebrate them. We have to give them flowers. Yeah, so if I can get the two of them to come together and collab on one song, or go in the garden, go pick up the flowers them, or go in the garden and throw the flowers them, because I got this done for you guys. You've never had it before. You've never had a collaboration like this with the two great big legend them together on one song. Alright? So when you go on in the garden, go pick the flowers them. Little old Spice, barefoot Spice, when never used to have no shoes and no clothes. Go in the garden and make me see the flowers them. Thank you. Official Sheen, thank you. Cool it, that Alicia, thank you so much. Yeah, Cookie Monster, thank you so much. Who's that? Zazarlene, thank you. Cookie Widwa, that one that got too fast. Kem, thank you so much. Julia Baby 728, thank you. Brittany 9100, thank you for the flowers. TC Rick, RT Rick, thank you so much. Somebody said more. Marisa, thank you so much. Right there, so. Team Blast, big up yourself, my G, because I want thing with you, you never switch, you never sell out. Team Blast, make the people them know say you call me down right through and tell me say you miss me every day. Team Blast, make sure so when I reach back at Jamaica, you have a look at ackee and saltfish breakfast and wait for me, Team Blast. Team Blast, never say I love it like life itself. Team Blast, never say when me there Jamaica, me cannot live without you, Adrian. Adrian, remember say you run left me in a gas station and make the car nearly boom up with me, Adrian. Adrian, remember you tell me say you love me to death and when the gas I run out of the car, you run out of the car and left me in the car nearly for burn up in the car, Adrian. But I love it same way. But thank you guys for the flowers. The SSS is Sean Paul, Spice and Shaggy. Big song is coming. The name of the song is called Go Down There. So let me talk about the name of the song. Go Down There name. And at the end of the day, I know some of mine smutty. Anything you want, go down there, go do, uno go down there, go do. Because me know so uno here, go down there, and uno feel like say uno go down there, uno go down there, go do. So anything you want, go down there, go do, uno go down there, go do it. But when me whine and go down there, me know when me go down there, go do. So anything you want, go down there, go do. You can go and go do what you want to down there. Where do you down there?
Go down there.
What you do when you go down there, Mina? Me know what me do. What you do when you whine and go down there? Tell the truth, Mina. Don't lie to the people there. Everybody, this is my BFF Mida. We're on the road every day in Atlanta. She takes very good care of me because I know me don't know nowhere, right? So this is Mida. As a matter of fact, it's Dr. Mida. Yeah, big up Dr. Mida. Somebody say, watch your man out ready for big up to Dr. Mida. Dr. Mida have a nice clean product for the vagina for steam out and them something there. Yeah, we'll get into it. But go down there. Yeah, that's the name of the song. I'm excited because I know that my fans are going to be. I've never been so confident about a song. I never feel so good about a song. I never feel so confident for no, so we're locked down for 1 year now. We're not getting happy and ready for wine. And when you hear the beat drop, it come like you want to go crazy. So I'm excited for my fans and I feel good. And when we hear go down there, I know say we're not going to wine and go down there. And it'll drop Friday, April 30th. But I want to play a little piece for the ear before. Because I like when my bestie them hear the things them first. My battery dead anyway, but I hurry up. On Friday, we're going to celebrate at Cosmopolitan nightclub in Atlanta. We're also going to show a little piece of the video. My besties will see the videos first, of course. Make sure you meet me at Cosmopolitan nightclub on Friday night, 10 p.m. sharp. Don't miss it, Atlanta. I know a lot of people are confused because we're doing a private party that will be filmed on Love and Hip Hop on Friday as well. So it's two separate things. You have to be COVID tested in order to enter the venue for the private party. The public one, anybody can come. Door open 10 p.m. Cosmopolitan nightclub. What Cosmopolitan there?
Decatur.
Decatur. Big up King's Promotion. Yeah. So at 10 p.m. on Friday night, if you are in Atlanta, Cosmopolitan nightclub, meet me there. You don't have to be COVID tested if you come at 10 p.m. For the private event that will be covered by Love and Hip Hop, yes, you have to be COVID tested for that. So it's two separate things. So don't get twisted. Just stick to the protocols. And yeah. Big up everybody. BL Simone, say big up yourself right there. So I'm gonna be on live. Somebody say, can you go live? I'm gonna give somebody my phone because I'll be performing. So I'm gonna make Mida in charge. So any you can't see Mida. May I give Mida my phone?
Alright, I got you.
Mida says she'll go live from my phone so that you guys can see whoever is not in Atlanta. I'm going to try to go live that day as much as possible. Because it no matter when nobody say, I have something to celebrate and I have something to talk about. So big up Sean Paul and Shaggy. Our legend them there. We have to support our own people. Yes. We have to support our own. Yes. We have to talk about our own. We have to celebrate our own. So big up everybody where I throw the flowers. Yeah. Alright, that's right there. And what I'm going to do right now is put the link into my bio. So you can stream the song. The song is streamed for more than $1 US. No matter wait until it's free. Friday and they all over on YouTube. Stream it the proper way. Right. So that they can see. that besties support me, because they have a thing where them say, oh, Jamaica no stream music and Jamaica no this. Let's change the narrative. Let's change all of that. Alright? Somebody say, cute girl, my bestie. Yeah, big up yourself right there. So thank you for the flowers. The Gaga man, can't pronounce the name, yeah. Jaya. Oh, what kind of name this? Gaga man Jaya. She's watch African. It's African name. But that's just what I wanted to tell you guys real quick about the SSS. I know you've been seeing me posting it. It's Spice, Sean Paul and Shaggy. Big tune I got dropped Friday. The name of it is called Go Down There. And like if you want go down there, go do, you can go down there, go do it. Alright, that's how it there. Alright? Y'all gonna love the song. Me I'll put my life on the one. I'm gonna put my head on the block. You all are going to love the song. Right? So big up the two big legends them. The fact that I was able to bring this together for dancehall and reggae is a big moment for me. I'm not ask you. I know Richie feelings are a bad mind me. Me know that for a fact. Yeah. We're doing it within our own genre. Shaggy and Sean Paul, they're big legends and they're worth celebrating. And so nobody now gonna take that moment here from me. Yeah. Big up on yourself. SSS, Sean Paul and Shaggy. Right, they said the bestie. You heard it from me first. I love you guys. I can't wait for Friday. When you see the video, I want to hear the song, but the link are going on my bio right now, so I can pre-save it from now.
We got Diamond in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me. Dancehall IG. Rich. Punk. Should know. Tento Blacks. Yeah, they.